More like a house than an apartment, the Element Whole Floor Super Apartments provide all the features of a prestige home on the beach, with the added security, views and maintenance-free lifestyle that only comes with apartment living. These apartments are huge, over 334 square metres, and offer 3 bedrooms, each with its own ensuite plus a study. Ensuites and bathrooms are finished in natural stone and feature individually carved stone vanities, creating a unique and luxury feel. Both casual and formal living requirements are catered for in an open-plan environment, with living rooms finished with natural stone floors encased in floor-to-ceiling glass to showcase the views and create a light and open environment. Adjoining the living rooms and enjoying a northern aspect directly overlooking the famous Burleigh Beach is a deep terrace balcony with plenty of room to entertain your friends and family. In addition to all this is an in-room theatre, amply proportioned to provide the full cinema experience and provide a full range of family entertainment. With 3 car parks side by side, even your cars get the royal treatment. The Burleigh beachfront lifestyle is truly unique. The opportunity to enjoy it in a home-sized premium apartment is rare. The time to act is now. Don't miss the boat.